Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Wingstop Hobby back at you guys with another video, and on today's video we are finally going to go through my Supreme Week 1 pickups. All my orders are sitting right next to me. They have all come in. Last one came in yesterday, that's why I was holding off on doing this video. But nonetheless, we're here today. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. And before I get into these items, please hit that like and subscribe, and follow my Instagram down below in the description to see how I style all these pieces. I don't want to waste any time, so let's just get right into it. So I already did a video on the shoulder bag. If you guys saw that video, if you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. So I'm gonna start with this item. There it is, camo shoulder bag. Go check out my review on this one. Red box logo, Realtree camo print. Really like the Realtree camo print. Been a fan of Realtree. If you guys follow my Instagram, you know I'm always wearing Realtree camo pants in the fall winter. Those will be coming back soon, thank God. So happy we're in fall winter, but nonetheless, we are moving on to the next item, which is 2 packs of red socks. I love Supreme socks. Got like a million pairs of the black ones. Had to get the red ones. Got 2 pairs. Because the only stupid thing is about the socks is that you can't order more. Once you already order one, they won't let you order more. So I can't even get more black socks. So it's kind of stupid, but I wasn't going to pass on the red socks. So had to grab a 2-pack. So that's that. And moving on to some of the more hype stuff. Got a few tees. Now I'm keeping these tees in the bag just because I don't know what I'm going to do with them. If you guys want to offer me some good prices on these, feel free to hit me up. We got the Mary J. Blige tee right here in the slate colorway. I really like this slate blue colorway. Of course, photo tee. It's not really a photo tee, but like the musician tees, they're always pretty popular. I figured I'd pick this one up. And yeah, I just really like this colorway. I don't have any of this color. I don't have any color t-shirts of this color in my closet right now. So it is a nice addition if I do decide to keep this one. So yeah, you kind of see the graphic. I'm sure you guys have all seen this graphic, but yeah. So that's one tee. And then the other tee I got, I didn't really like a lot of the tees. These are the only 2 ones I liked, and they were the most hype ones, ironically. But I just thought they were the most clean ones. We got the banner tee right here. You can kind of see this is the original banner that hangs outside the Lafayette store. I got the red colorway. So once again, I don't have any red t-shirts. Now, I'm also keeping this one in the bag because I'm going to sell one of these 2. I haven't decided. I was going to sell the banner tee at first. Or I was going to sell the Mary J. Blige t-shirt at first. But I'm kind of leaning towards selling the banner tee. I know the Mary J. Blige is going for more right now, but it's not by much. So I think I might just hold on to these and just see how they do. But yeah, one more look at the banner tee right here in the red colorway. Both of those are size large. If you guys want these tees, feel free to DM me on Instagram and maybe we can work out a price. But last but not least, the biggest item that I copped, and in my opinion is a sleeper item. As you can see, we got the Mohair sweater. No, it did not come jumbled up like this. I actually took it out. I'm going to give you guys an on-body shot so I can tell you how sizing is. And I kind of wanted to like wear it so I could tell you guys if these are worth the money, because these are quite expensive. It was $168. And here it is, right here. This beautiful striped colorway. They call this the acid green colorway, but there's purple in here, there's orange, there's acid green, there's pink. There's like a more brighter pink. And then you got the Supreme embroidered right there on the left chesticle. And we got a size XL. Now, you're going to see that on body shot. Now, I've never bought a sweater before. I wear a size large on all my Supreme, but I am a little bigger dude. I'm like 5'10", probably like 195 right now. But so I got the XL because I wasn't sure how these sweaters fit. I think it fits pretty good. So that goes for the sizing. It's not too long. It's not too wide. It fits like that nice like loose fit, which is what I was going for. I read the size chart before I purchased the item, and based on the measurements, it was the XL. It's the large. I wasn't sure about the chest because the chest was like a 22.5 on the large, and the XL was a 23.5. So I figured I'd rather go with the bigger size up because I will be wearing like a t-shirt under this sweater, like a white tee, you know, like a basic undershirt. But anyways, it's pretty nice material. You can see it's very hairy. It is warm. It's nice for the fall. I decided to get this sweater just because I wanted to try something new. So yeah, I mean, I think these are worth the money. I think it's pretty good material. It feels good. It's just really hairy, and like I said, it's just something different. So yeah, I'm happy I picked this one up. I will be wearing this in the fall, so if you want to see how I style this on my Instagram, go follow me on the gram. Like I said, linked in the description below. And to wrap this video up, let's go through these stickers and the free gift of the season. Now the bad news is I got the Mary J. Blige tee, however I didn't get the sticker, so it is what it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But anyways, here are the box logos for the season. Now we got these scratch off box logos. If you guys know how scratch offs work, you scratch this off with a quarter and you're gonna get a traditional Supreme box logo. I have not done that yet with mine, as you can tell, but maybe I will. But yeah, you guys know what those are. And then we got these mini Save the Planet, Kill Yourself stickers. This was also a graphic on a t-shirt. But yeah, I got the stickers right here. They got like a set of 3 mini stickers, so you could put these on a laptop or whatever. Then the next sticker, I didn't even know, but I got the same graphic in a bigger version. I didn't even really know I had this one, but I guess I do. There's that. I got the cream sticker. I wasn't a fan of the graphic on the t-shirt. That t-shirt's still sitting, but yeah, I got the cream lotion Supreme graphic sticker. Not sure why they did like a cream lotion. Not sure what the logic was behind it. I'm sure it's something, but yeah, it is what it is. Got the sticker. Next sticker is this Supreme new shit tee, authorized dealer. Now I do like this graphic, however I don't like that it's backwards. That's why I didn't pick up the tee. If this was just normal, I feel like they would have just did this like normal like font. Well, not like font, but you know, going the correct way so you could actually see it when you're like walking down the street and read it correctly. I think this t-shirt would have been a lot popular because the back of the t-shirt is absolutely sick. It lists all the stores, all the Supreme stores numbers around the world, and it looks pretty cool. But yeah, there's the sticker. So I'm glad they gave me a sticker because I didn't really cop the tee. And then last but not least, we got the banner tee right here. Like I said, I got the tee, and I got the banner tee, and once again, it's the original banner hanging outside the Lafayette store. And then our free gift of the season, let me pop one of these open. It's these little army dudes with a parachute. Now you got to take this rubber band off, and I don't even know how this thing works, to be honest, but yeah, you get this little parachute dude, and let's see if there's any, oh yeah, there is a box logo on this, so I guess that's pretty cool. So yeah, there's our army dude going off to cop the Supreme in the Lafayette store. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about the season. Week 2 is dropping tomorrow. I'm going for the S logo. Just made my video on the dunks. I guess I'm passing on the dunks now because my favorite hoodie of the season is dropping tomorrow. The S logo in the navy and orange colorway. That's some little insight for you guys if you made it to the end of the video. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.